Ai niște jigoli? I haven't seen such hate in a long time, seriously. While I was talking on the phone, I have been harassed by like two police cars, and they are watching me, and the number is Mai 15512. Jandarmerie Mai 15512. I really don't know what the fuck is wrong with these cunts' heads, other that they are being paid. This is a program and they are being paid. And also by two ambulance cars, and they are both having their heads popped off and staring and looking at me. I have already filed complaints for harassment, complaints, and nothing is being done. Look, there's another ambulance to see how severely fucked up they are. They are not doing anything, they are just following me around town. Muie. I like to pinpoint my feelings to them, even though I don't always do that here and while being on film, because that's exactly what they want, you know. They must have some drones or something around here. I can't have one single moment of peace and quiet without being harassed. This is definitely funded by local police or Poliția Botoșani. Sunteți cele mai mari târfi și cele mai mari lepri. Și o să plătiți pentru ceea ce îmi faceți. Stați liniștiți. Aveți deja nu știu câte sesizări. Și sunteți mafii, nu sunteți poliții. Asta este mesajul meu pentru voi. Muie! Dacă tot vreți să fac ceva violent, vă înjur aici pe film și filmulețul va fi postat pe YouTube, pe internet, ca să vă vadă toată lumea ce se întâmplă în Iași, Moldova. Aveți nu știu câte sesizări, am făcut sesizări pe cei drept, au fost și sesizări anonime. I filed complaints also, anonymous complaints. But I'm going to keep filing complaints. So anyway, nothing is being changed in this town. Look, this is another one. Another local police. Jandarmerie, nu. Poliția locală Botoșani. These are the cunts who harass me. BT 84 PLB. Cred că e a 5-a mașină. Nu, a 7-a. The 7th car. So, in order to understand you must understand that gang stalking is a phenomenon, and they are being paid, and it's illegal. What they are doing to me, it's illegal. There is no legal thing or measurement to harass an individual just like this. I'm not a criminal, I'm not a terrorist. I just got out from work, and I'm walking on the street and in Romania, in Moldova, and I am being harassed everywhere I go, and they even stare at me from the windows, something like how dare you. Also the cab drivers, they are all being paid. I'm worried that this dog is gonna be I'm worried that this puppy is going to be injured. Măi, cățel, măi! So these are the biggest cons ever that you could ever see or witness. And there is no coincidence. So there is a cunt or many cunts who actively pay gang stalkers. Gang stalkers. This whole town is gang stalking me, you know? They are paid by mafia. If you call these cunts to actually do their duty, they take like hours to come. But if I am walking on the street, there are like 20 cunts who come here and gang stalk me and harass me every day. And they like to pretend, they like to they like to pretend that what what they are doing is normal, and that I am something abnormal, or I don't know, something out of the ordinary or something like this, when all I'm doing is walking on the street and buying coffee and going to work and trying to sustain myself and my life and my family. And this is amazing, and I'm going to keep filing harassment and reports because I'm not breaking any law. What they are doing is illegal. Fuck you, cunts, and fuck you, Mihailescu Sorinel, or Gypsy Mafia, or whatever. There is a lot of good things that you can do with money, but apparently some cunts can't sleep on or breathe on the same planet if I'm alive, if I'm breathing, you know. And I've launched like I don't know how many messages, or I expose them, and I will keep exposing them on YouTube or such. They are constantly harassing me, and this gang stalking is a phenomenon. This is security cunt. Once you are a gang stalking cunt, you are always a gang stalking cunt, you know. You sell your mother, your sister, a person, a citizen who hasn't done you anything wrong. You harass him or her for money. They are constantly harassing me to disrupt my day or to keep me occupied, or whatever the fuck is the purpose, is to annoy me or provoke me to do something violent or mock me. I've received threats or mockery such as this also at work. They try to ridicule me for working, for being an honest person and working, and mocking my job or something like this. They are utter cowards and idiots and freaks, and to think they are wearing uniform says more than a lot about the justice of this country. There is no justice in Romania. There are only mafia working together. Mafia who sells children, who traffics women. More than 70% of these women are forced to be prostitutes or such. Look, another cunt. I am so fucking tired of them, and look at this car. Do you think he got it from honest means, from working? Muie! No, he got it from harassing people, harassing others. This is how these cunts earn their money, and I just don't get it. Why do they have to harass me every fucking day? Why do they have to compare with me? Every single day? And and police encourages them and participates to this. This is outrageous, and I've already exposed them, and I will keep exposing them. I will keep exposing them. Poliția locală Botoșani, sunteți niște târfi proaste. Asta sunteți. Asta sunteți. Gaftonianu Constantin, ești un nazist, pedofil, satanist. Te-am expus deja și o să te expun în continuare. The cunt who is paying for this shit and continuously paying for this shit, they are prosecutors, they are judges who participate in this, they are all mafia. Mihailescu Sorinel, știi cine ești? Tu și bou de Adrian, taximetrist la Eurotaxi. Many who do this are taxi or cab drivers here in Romania. They are also working for militia, for mafia, for stuff like this, and they sell people for money. This is a program funded for money. Look, another cunt. Wave to the camera, bitch. You are on camera. This program is basically to provoke someone into destruction, and if they don't provoke you, there are three ways. There is they provoke you to go to jail or put you forcefully into psychiatry, to the loony bin for nothing. I don't have antecedents of being mentally ill. These cunts who do this to people are mentally ill and schizoids and unstable. To do this to someone continuously for money, I think it has come that someone who has a little integrity left or decency, they are being harassed this way. I don't deserve this. I didn't do any crime to deserve this. And I will keep exposing these cunts, these possessed, sad cunts, and their names.